Good day, kids! Another day, another learning! I am Teacher Hazel, and I will be your math teacher for today. So, let us all brace ourselves and let's have a quick tour on the world of mathematics. Are you ready? Let's go! Ooh, what are these objects? Can you help me identify these objects? Let's have this first. What do we call this object? Yes, this is a book. How about this one? Correct. This is an ice cream cone. And this one? This is a Rubik's Cube. Now let's have this object. What do we call this object? Yes, this is a globe. How about this one? This is a tent. And the last one, we call this a tin can. The objects shown a while ago are examples of what we call solid or spatial figures. So today, you will be visualizing and describing different types of solid figures. Are you ready? Let's get started! Now, let us define terms beginning with solid figure. Solid figure is also known as spatial figure. It has depth, length, and width as shown in the illustration. Length refers to how long the object is. Height is the distance between the top and the base part of an object, while depth is the measurement on how thick an object is. This time, let us know the different solid figures, particularly prism, cube, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere through this song. So I want you to listen carefully and take down important details from this song.
Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these six shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Let's start with spheres like the Earth and the Moon and the Sun in our sky of blue. Balls are spheres that are lots of fun. Oranges and marbles are too. There are 6 sides on each cube you find, and each side is a square. Sugar and blocks can be shaped like cubes, like the ice cube in your glass there. Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Rectangular prisms have 6 sides. I can think of quite a few. Like a shoebox, a train car, a long stick of butter, a brick and a suitcase too. With a circle on the bottom and a point at the top. A cone is a shape you'll see. Party hats and teepees are shaped like cones, and so is a green pine tree. Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Let's learn them all by name. Cylinders have circles at each end, like a soup can or paper towel roll. Drinking straws and glasses have cylinder shapes, and so does our school flagpole. What shape has 3 or more triangular sides and a point at the top? Can you guess? A base can be a square or a different shape. Say a pyramid and I'll say yes! Let's sing about three-dimensional shapes. No two look the same. We see these 6 shapes everywhere. Now you know them all by name.
Have you enjoyed listening to the song? If yes, Based from the song, how do we describe a prism? Prisms are named by their bases, and the common types of prism are rectangular prism and triangular prism. Rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Examples of rectangular prism are the backs of face shield and the backs of face mask. From this object, where is the face? The face is the flat surface in an object. How about the edges? The edges are the sides. How about the vertices? The vertices are the corners where 2 edges meet. Always remember to wear face mask and face shield, especially if you are in public areas, to avoid being infected with different kinds of virus. Remember, health is wealth. So aside from the boxes of face shields and face masks, we also have the different examples of rectangular prism. We have books, modeling clay, shoebox, and refrigerator. On the other hand, triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Common examples are the box of Toblerone and the slice of buko pie. Second type of solid figure is the cube. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A common example of cube is the Rubik's Cube. Just like the rectangular prism, the flat surfaces are what we call the faces. The sides are the edges, and the corners where 2 edges meet are the vertices. Now, what are other examples of cube? We also have ice cube, die, and alphabet blocks. Third type of solid figure is a pyramid. How do we describe a pyramid? A pyramid has a base that is a polygon and faces that are triangles. It is a solid figure where the sides of the triangles meet at the top, called the apex. Pyramids are also named by their bases. Examples of pyramids are the pyramid itself and a tent. In this case, the tent is called a rectangular pyramid. Why? Because the base of the tent is a rectangle. Fourth type of a solid figure is a cone. A cone has 1 circular base and 1 vertex. A common example of a cone is a funnel. A funnel has 1 circular base and a vertex. Now, can you give me other examples of a cone? So aside from a funnel, we also have ice cream cone and a birthday hat. Fifth type of solid figure is a cylinder. How do you describe a cylinder? A cylinder has 2 parallel bases that are congruent circles. Best example of it is a canned good. So these are the 2 parallel bases that are congruent circles. Can you enumerate some examples of cylinder? So aside from this, other examples of cylinder are the following: gas stove and a water bottle. Lastly is the sphere. Sphere is a set of all points in space that are at a given distance from a certain point. Following examples: a golf ball, a Christmas ball, and a billiard ball. Now that we have already visualized and described the different types of solid figures, it's now time for an activity. Therefore, it's activity time! Instruction says, identify and describe the type of solid figure shown by the following illustrated objects. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. time is up. I will now reveal the answers. Have you got all the answers correct? If yes, give yourselves 5 thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good! We all know that solid figures are everywhere. So, what will we do to objects that are considered solid figures that are not utilized anymore? Let us all be reminded to take care of our environment by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Apart from that, let us also develop the value of being eco-friendly because we need to nurture our nature. To summarize what we have learned for today, how will you describe the different types of solid figures? Prisms are named by their bases. Rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A pyramid has a base that is a polygon and faces that are triangles. It is also named by their bases. A cylinder has 2 parallel bases that are congruent circles. A sphere is a set of all points in space that are given distance from a center point. A cone has 1 circular base and 1 vertex. Now, for your last activity, I want you to draw the given object and identify and describe the solid figure it represents. Therefore, bring out a pen and a paper and I will give you 10 minutes to accomplish this activity. Are you ready? Good luck! Let us see if your answers are correct. If you got all the answers correct, give yourself an excellent clap. Excellent! This ends our lesson for today. Again, I am Teacher Hazel, your teacher, to the road of your dreams. See you next time. Goodbye!